I'm so scared of the dark. I wish I had someone here to help me.
Scientist Katie here. I have an idea. Why don't we make a lava lamp?
Sounds cool!
Okay, so first we're gonna get a jar and we're gonna fill it up with water 1/3 of the way. And then we're gonna drop some food coloring into the jar. Next, we're gonna use some vegetable oil and we're gonna fill it up.
Why does it do that? Why does it separate like that?
That's a good question. So, water is actually heavier than oil. That's why the oil will be on top of the water because it's lighter.
So cool.
Okay. And then next, we're gonna use a seltzer tablet, and we're just gonna drop it in there. And you should see how it fizzes up.
Why does it fizz like that?
This is called an acid-base reaction, and it's releasing carbon dioxide.
So cool, look at that. I can finally sleep in peace at night with my new lava lamp.
Alright, remember, whenever you need to use it, just put a flashlight under it and then drop another tablet.
Thank you, Scientist Katie.
Hey kids, even though lava lamps are really cool to look at, you should never eat or drink any of these ingredients.